Hello and welcome back to latinx.montessori. My name is Orlando, and in this video I'm giving you an in-depth review of the Stokke Tripp Trapp high chair. This is a pricey high chair, but it is worth the money. We bought it for our daughter, and I can confidently say that it is a must-have item that will last you for years. There are a few things that I look for in a quality high chair, especially because they are high ticket items. Number one, they need to help my daughter improve her independence. They also need to bring my daughter as close to the table as possible so we can enjoy family meals together. It also needs to have an adjustable footrest because it improves my daughter's body mechanics and makes mealtime more enjoyable. Number four, it needs to be ergonomic and comfortable so my daughter can sit for longer periods. And if I'm spending a lot of money on a high chair, it needs to last me a very long time. And finally, it needs to be very easy to clean. I'll discuss each of my criteria in detail, and at the end I'm going to share something very important you need to know before you buy this high chair because no one else mentions it. And by the way, if you're looking for more product reviews from real parents or all things parenting, you can start here by subscribing to our channel so you never miss a thing. Let me just get assembly out of the way because I'm pretty sure you want to know if the Tripp Trapp is easy to assemble. And yes, it is. It took me about 15 minutes to put it together. The assembly instructions only come with pictures. I wish they could have came with written instructions, but either way, they are very easy to follow. If you have assembled furniture before, it is going to be very easy to put it together. But if you haven't and you don't know what this little tool is called, then it may take you a little bit longer. The first thing I like about the Tripp Trapp is that it promotes independence. And this is probably the most important thing about this high chair. We want our daughter to be as independent as possible, and the Tripp Trapp helps her improve her independence. We can easily adjust the seat and footrest so our daughter can get on and off independently. And she is not confined or strapped to the high chair, and this allows for freedom of movement. So if you want to foster your child's independence and self-reliance from an early age, then this is the high chair you need. It also allows us to bring our daughter close to the table. We used to have a generic high chair with a huge tray that affected the proximity to the table, and this made it hard to feed our daughter when she was a baby. The Tripp Trapp is designed to bring children close to the table and allows them to sit at the same level as you. This also supports our daughter's independence and self-feeding. And honestly, I didn't think this was important until we began baby-led weaning. She was able to reach her food and utensils, and this improved her overall eating experience. It also has an adjustable seat and footrest, and this was very important to me because, believe it or not, the foot position and ergonomics will affect your baby's eating experience. Our daughter was able to sit for longer periods and eat calmly because the adjustable footrest helped her sit comfortably and have good posture while eating. And this is because it prevents her legs from dangling or getting tired, and I can always adjust the seat and footrest to fit her height as she grows. And that's pretty easy to do. You can simply use an Allen wrench that comes with the high chair or a power drill if you have one, and remove the screws located on the legs. Then you adjust the seat and footrest to the desired position and tighten the screws again. This simple but important feature will help your child sit comfortably. I also like how the ergonomic design of the Tripp Trapp high chair supports my daughter's back and spine and keeps her in a natural sitting position. It also provides optimal support for the spine and helps her avoid slouching or leaning forward, which can otherwise cause neck and shoulder pain. So if you have a generic high chair and your baby gets fussy or doesn't want to eat, it's probably because they are uncomfortable. I also like the fact that it grows with your child. Now, if I'm going to spend a lot of money on a product, it better last me a very long time. The high chair we got came with the baby set and tray, which we no longer use because our daughter is older now. If you have a newborn, you can buy the newborn set separately. But when your baby outgrows either the newborn or baby set, you can easily remove them and convert the high chair to a regular chair that is still adjustable and allows your baby to sit independently. And believe it or not, this is actually pretty impressive. It can support up to 242 pounds, which means that even we, the adults, can sit on it. Now, I am a little bit of a clean freak and I hate it when I have to dig into small crevices, which is often the case with generic or standard high chairs. Your baby is going to get food smeared all over the place, and if you don't clean it right, it is going to accumulate a lot of gunk and bacteria and maybe promote the growth of mold. We simply use baby safe cleaning products like this one here, Clean Smart toy disinfectant spray, and wipe off the messes. The cushion is also wipeable, but you can remove it and throw it in your washer, and it'll still maintain its quality. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there are a few things you need to consider before you purchase the Tripp Trapp high chair, and the first one, I think it is the most important one. It does not work with high dining tables. I did a lot of research on this high chair and no one mentions this. If you have a high dining table like I do, the Tripp Trapp will be too low and your child won't be able to reach their food. The high chair is about 32 inches high and our table is over 41 inches high. So we actually had to adjust my daughter's weaning table so we could use the Tripp Trapp. So only buy it if you have a regular sized dining table. Number two, it is a little bit costly. Yes, the high chair is expensive compared to other high chairs, but you have to look past the cost and focus on the benefits and longevity instead. And as I mentioned earlier, I don't usually spend a lot of money on products, but the Tripp Trapp is definitely worth the cost because you are investing in a high quality product that is going to last you a long time and provides a lot of benefits for your child. And number three, the tray is sold separately. Again, this is not a deal breaker because the purpose of the Tripp Trapp is to bring your child close to the table and enjoy family meals together as a family. The tray sort of defeats that purpose, but if you need it, you can still buy it separately. If you are ready to purchase the Tripp Trapp, you can head over to Pish Posh, which is my favorite place to buy baby products. It offers free shipping and you can also save $10 on your first purchase. The high chair comes in 16 color choices or wood stains to match the style of your home. And you can also choose the color of some of the accessories to match the look of the high chair. You can also buy this high chair on Amazon, but I don't think they carry all of the accessories or color options. But either way, I will leave links to the high chair in the description below. They are affiliate links. That means that we might get a small commission at no additional cost to you if you make a purchase. This high chair starts at $319, which is a lot, but again, I think it is worth the cost because it is going to last you through adulthood. To me, the benefits were more important than the cost. We can actually connect and enjoy family meals together because we don't have to spend time and energy trying to quiet down a fuzzy baby. Instead, she can sit with us, eat at her own pace, and explore foods on her own. If there is anything I missed or if you have any other questions about this high chair, go ahead and leave a comment below because it could help other parents watching this video. Now, my goal is to continue to bring you more honest product reviews just like this from one parent to another and tell you if it is worth buying it or not. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon.